typing speed test, we're going to make use of Ratatype.com. The link is in the description of this particular video. We're going to create an account with Ratatype. It is a free platform to assess your typing speed. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I did mine and how you can do the same thing as well. Head on to Ratatype.com. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So here you can just click on here, hey login. Okay, I'm going to log in because I have an account, but if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. So log in with Google. All right. So this is my account I created on 3rd of July 2024, and that is my certificate in typing. So my typing speed at the time, it says 41.2 words per minute because I was doing it while I was recording. Okay, so if you are new here, all you have to do is just hit on start typing after you signed up the account. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to just hit on improve my results because I already have. When you take your first class, your first typing test, you can take it as many times as possible to make sure that you have the best result. Most remote job employers would let you practice typing speed on their own platform. So one, you need to learn how to be comfortable being uncomfortable, as in at the time when you are using their platform. So you need to rehearse as many times as you can with this platform first, so that it makes it easy for you anytime you are given any other typing speed platform. All right, so let me click here to start. Okay, so in 1893, Chicago had its first police woman. Okay, policewoman. Her name was Mary Owens. While the city was progressive in its hiring practices, Chicago's female police officers were not allowed to wear uniforms until 19. Okay, so I'm through. And I was doing this live. Okay, so I had 40 words per minute, which is not bad because most employers will be looking at between 30 to 50 words per minute. So you need to do this whilst recording your screen so that you need to feel under pressure, because when you are going to do this on the employer's platform, you will be under pressure. All right. If I am doing this on a regular day, I may be getting 50 words per minute, okay, on average. But because I'm doing and recording at the same time, real time, it is 40 words per minute. All right. So this is Ratatype. Once you are through with this, you can just go back here, okay, and then go to my certificates. All right. There are of course adverts because it is a free platform. Okay, so this is my best. Ratatype will keep your best results. Okay, this is my best 41.2. Okay, that's a certificate. I can right click and then save the certificate as an image and attach it when I am applying for the job. All right, I can even add a certificate to my LinkedIn profile. Okay, the certificate actually has a verification link that employers can use in verifying your certificate. Okay, so basically, that is it. That is how you can actually download as well. You can add to your LinkedIn profile. That is how you are able to get through your typing speed test with Ratatype. Now that you have your certificate for your typing speed from Ratatype, just save it on your computer, relax. Let's go to the next step for this particular tutorial.